Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a 7x12 enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains as well as the breakaway box. This trailer has 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of the V-nose. There is a 32-inch side door equipped with a bar lock. This trailer has stone guard teardrop fenders. Coming along to the rear, there is a spring assist loading ramp. This trailer has LED brake lights. This trailer does have a fan as well as your 12-volt dome light. There's a switch by your door. This trailer has 3/4 plywood walls and 3/8 plywood flooring. This trailer does come equipped with two 3,500-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There is a black screwed exterior. Once again, this is a 7x12 enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.